welcome you in today's tutorial. So in this tutorial video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can design this type of simple birthday flyer. This flyer is really beautiful, but it's very easy to design. Alright, so but if you don't follow along what I'm going to teach you guys now, you might get it wrong. Alright, so if this is your first time seeing my video or watching my video, do it to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you have any question, drop it under the comment section, and if you need the resources I used for this design, you can as well indicate in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like this video. Alright, so let's start. Now the first thing that we are going to do is that we are going to import the background. That's the first thing. For those who are new to pixellab, here's where you can import your background. Here is for background, here is for text, and here is for shapes. Alright, so just click there and we are going to select the one that says from gallery so that we can import it from our gallery, and you can get this background using your Pinterest app, or if you need it, just indicate in the comment section. Alright, so this is the background. I have selected it. Alright, so let's continue. Then the next thing we're going to do is to import this image, which is this girl on the flyer. Alright, and here it is. And make sure you have removed the background before you do this. Alright, so that just make sure you remove the background. And here's the picture of the girl. So let's resize it. So I think this is how she looks in the flyer. Alright, so let me check. Alright, so if you check that this girl, the dress is somehow red, but our background is mostly yellow, so we have to change change our background. We have to blend our background so that it will suit this girl. So the best thing to do is just go to your effect, which is down here. Just click on it. Then we are going to make use of majorly these three things here: the brightness, the contrast, and the hue. Alright, we can also join the saturation, which is here. Alright, so but let's go to the hue for the first. Let's check if whether we can get the correct thing using this. Alright, so I think we are getting it. And the next one I'm going to is the brightness. Let's reduce the brightness. Alright, I think we're almost there. So you have to walk around it so that you get a better one for yourself. Alright. Alright, we might not get the exact thing in the design, but we'll try and get something close. Alright, so I think this is enough. Yeah, this is enough. Alright, so the next thing now that we're going to do is to blend this picture. If you notice, it has sharp cropping here, this place, this area, and also this area. Alright, so we need to blend the picture. Then how do we do this? First of all, let us lock the image by clicking here. Then you have to click on this key icon. Alright, then let us alright, sorry, it's not this that is this one. This is the get I want to lock, so I will unlock this one. Alright, so now how do we blend this? Just go to shapes, which is here. Then go to draw, click on draw. Hope you can see what I'm talking about. Click on it, then scroll down. You will see blur radius, increase it to 25. Then smoothness, increase it. Then the pencil size, you can also increase it. Don't touch the color for now. Let's just draw. Then I'm going to do something like this. Just be drawing this. Just draw something like this. I think this is enough. Alright, so now we are going to give it a color that will suit the background. If you go to your color, just click on color, then on the button, then you're going to click on this plus sign here. if you click on it, then you're going to click on this pencil, this one here, so that this one will allow you to pick a color from existing elements, maybe the background or any other thing. You click on it, you can see the background. All right, so we are going to choose the background. As you are moving this, it's going to be changing here. All right, so here is where you know which color you have selected, and here is where you use and select the color you want. All right, if you notice, the thing is moving as I'm moving this in the way. All right, so I'm going to select a color that is similar. Let me select something here. Let me check if it will look good, then click OK. I think this is not good enough. Let me select another one. Let me select something red, and let me select this part. I think this is good enough. So you are going to resize this, just do it like this, and this side you do it also like that, so that you get a smooth blending. You can see it now, the thing is smooth, even though this doesn't look exactly as the one I have in this design, but it looks very close and it looks very okay. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we have to move this gear up a little bit. Let me just resize this small. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Everything is okay like this. So let's lock this. Let's lock this one here. And so the next thing now is just to import this birthday listing design. So if you need this, you can go to Pinterest and get all this. So let me go to this. Let me go to another one. Look for it. Alright, here it is. And unfortunately, I didn't remove the background. So we'll remove the background using our Pinterest, our pixellab. So erase color. Just go to erase color, but it's advisable that you remove the background before working on any design. All right, so we are going to click on this so that we pick the color that we want to be removed. So you're going to move this until you see black. We want to remove the black color. All right, so after picking, then click on this. You can see the thing I've removed the background. Very simple. All right, so you can resize to this point. Now we are going and here it is, and this one also have background. We can also remove the background using erase color here. Alright, so let's pick the color we want to remove, which is black. Alright, so this is okay. Then we have to resize to something like this. Then we are going to give it a color which will be a white color. So let's go to color. We are going to give it a white color. Alright, so it's okay. Then we go to text so that we add the text there. So actually I don't know the guest name, but I will use my name instead. Alright. So here's my name, and my name will be in capital letter. Alright, so just go back to edit so that we make it to be in capital letter. Then the simple way is just to click on this, then it will turn to capital letter everything. Then we have to apply color, which will be black color. Alright, then the next thing is that we have to apply style, which will be a button. So I click on style. Then you're going to click on this B. For those who are new, this B is for the text to be bold. This one is for the text to slant, so it will be in slant form. Then this is to underline the text, while this is to undo any style you have do. Alright, so just click on the B, and if you notice, this text changed and is now bold. So let us reduce so that we enter here. Alright, so I think this is okay like this. Alright, so then the next thing is this circle thing that is here. Alright, so let's import that from our gallery. Alright, here it is. I've removed the background of this one. Alright, so just resize it to this point. just resize it to this point, then bring it somewhere here. Alright, so now the next thing is just to write the day. Let's say November, or let's just write the one, the flyer, which is April 16. Then you're going to do this, then you resize so that will enter into that. You can increase the size and look to then use position so it will be okay. I think this is good enough. Then the next thing from this, I think they aligned the text, so let us align our own. Alright, so let's align our own by just going to align, and here it is, align. So click on it, don't on this button here, don't on it, just choose the one you want, and this one is to align to the left, then this one is to center, this one is to the right. Alright, so the one we want right now is for the center. We click on that center one. Alright, so let's use position. I think this is cool now. Alright, so you can see that we're almost done. It's the design with the flyer. Right, we have finished everything in the design, even though we didn't get all the colors correctly, but it's still the same thing and it still looks very attractive. And so this is just simple way you can design. This is just a simple birthday flyer. There are some complex one which will involve 2 to 3 photos or pictures, so those ones are a little bit complicated, but they are still simple. All you need to do is just understand how you can get everything there. Alright, so this is just a simple birthday flyer. Alright, so if you have any question, just drop it under the comment section. By the next video we'll continue again in this flyer design. Probably I don't just know which design that is coming up, but we are still going to design a better one. Alright, so make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not. Like, comment and share this video if possible so that others can learn. Alright, so when you are done with your design, just simply delete this one that we imported by just clicking this. Just click this for you to delete it. Then you have to save your work. This is where you save your work. Click on it. You save as project and you save as what? Image. Saving as project is saving it inside this pixellab. Then saving as image is saving it to your gallery. Alright, so we are done for this, and I hope you have learned something. Alright, see you in the next video.